Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest advancements in technology. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of robotics. Robotics is the field that's changing the world as we know it, and we're going to explore some of the most exciting and innovative developments in this space. Our first stop is the world of autonomous vehicles. You've probably heard about self-driving cars and trucks. But did you know that they're already on the roads? That's right. Companies like Tesla, Uber, and Waymo are already testing these vehicles on public roads. We'll take a look at how they work, the benefits they offer, and some of the challenges that come with this technology. Next up, we're going to explore the exciting world of drones. Drones are already being used for a variety of applications, from package delivery to search and rescue missions. We'll take a closer look at how drones are changing the way we live and work, and we'll see some of the latest developments in drone technology. Finally, we'll explore the world of humanoid robots. These robots are designed to look and act like humans, and they're already being used in a variety of settings, from hospitals to factories. We'll see some of the most advanced humanoid robots, including Boston Dynamics Atlas and Spot robots. And we'll take a look at how they're being used today and what the future holds for this technology. Well, that's a wrap, guys. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of robotics. It's amazing to see how far we've come in just a few short years, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this exciting field. Thanks for watching.